It is Saturday night again, and tonight we are watching Midnight Madness. This is one of my all-time favorites, guys. It's from 1979. It is Walt Disney's first live-action film. This movie is absolutely hilarious, and if you haven't seen it, I hope by the end of this episode, you'll want to run out and grab it and watch it tonight. Come with me. We're going to do some shopping. We're going to make a snack. We're going to do some trivia. We're going to talk about 10 things I love about this movie. It is time for the Great All-Nighter. Tonight I'm going to tell you guys 10 things I absolutely love about the movie Midnight Madness. I love the music in this film. This movie was filmed at the very end of the 70s and released in February of 1980. Music was about to take a drastic change, and this whole movie would feel completely different if it weren't for that iconic roller boogie disco music. I love Eddie Deason. Nobody can play the ultimate nerd like Eddie Deason, and in this film he takes it to the max as Wesley, the leader of the white team. I love how the entire premise of this movie is built around a giant citywide scavenger hunt. If you've never been involved in a scavenger hunt, you have no idea what you're missing. One Halloween, my family had a giant scavenger hunt, and one of the things we had to do was go to Pizza Hut and eat an anchovy. Blech. I love the scene at the Stargate Disco with the Thompson twins. There's a scene where the rest of the red team is trying to solve a clue when they discover Peggy and Lulu disco dancing in the middle of a giant crowd. It is amazing, and I hate this phrase, but that scene lives rent-free in my head. I love Harold's van. Harold is a lazy, rich, spoiled brat whose dad so badly wants him to do something with his life that he buys him this big expensive van to help him win the game, complete with a clue-solving computer. But my favorite part of the van is the clear observation bubble on top. I love that just about every filming location in this movie is a real-life location that you can actually visit. The Griffith Observatory, the Bonaventure Hotel. I've personally never been to LA, but if I ever go, I am definitely running the route of the Great All-Nighter. I love that Pee Wee Herman has a cameo in this movie. 5 years before Pee-wee's Big Adventure, he can be seen in this movie dressed as a cowboy trying to keep the peace between the teams that are about to have a big fight at the arcade. I love the meat wagon. The green team is made up of 5 members of the football team that call themselves the Meat Machine, and their vehicle is a little green Volkswagen Bug that they call the Meat Wagon. I absolutely love iconic movie vehicles, and although this definitely is not on the level of the DeLorean Time Machine or the Ghostbusters Ecto-1, I would definitely love to restore an old green Volkswagen Bug to look just like the Meat Wagon. I love how Leon the Game Master has an enormous game board of the entire city on his wall, complete with little game pieces that look like each team's vehicle that he uses to track their progress throughout the game. Making props like that is something I would definitely do and have done, as several years ago I created my own Goonies-themed scavenger hunt and made custom One-Eyed Willy treasure maps. And last but not least, I love how the green, the red, and the white teams all shove each other into the pool at the end of the movie, especially how the one girl on the red team flat out sidekicks the 2 guys from the green team. Absolutely hilarious. The entire movie is absolutely hilarious. So there it is, guys. 10 things I absolutely love about the movie Midnight Madness. If you haven't seen it, get the VHS, get the DVD, get the Blu-ray, get the 4K, even though the 4K does not exist. I'm not even sure the Blu-ray exists. Or stream it on your favorite streaming service. Alright, we are heading out to get our snack for this Saturday night snack in a movie. I got my yellow team shirt on, and I do not have a yellow fake Jeep, but I do have a yellow Hummer, so it's sort of like a fake Jeep. Look at this, it's like a mini version of the Blockbuster gumball machine. That is pretty cool, $5.40. This would be awesome for the movie room. It's missing the plug on the back, and I wonder if that could be shined up. Wow, they're pretty cleaned out of DVDs this time. But let's see what they have anyway. Here they might have some good stuff. This is a pretty good movie, Jet Li the One. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of anything here. I see they have 2 copies of Cutthroat Island. They do have Rambo First Blood Part 2. Ray is a pretty good movie, but none of these are really Saturday night snack and a movie worthy. I put the gumball machine back. I think I'm gonna wait and just get a bigger one. But look at this, they always have movie themed puzzles and games. Here's Star Wars. Let's see what else we got. Frozen Monopoly here. Oh, Christmas Story puzzle. We got another Star Wars here. Stranger Things. That's pretty much it. Kind of a bummer in here today. Alright, so what we're looking for today is just stuff to make burgers and fries like you would find in a big boy restaurant. I believe I have onions at home, but I want to get one just in case I'm wrong. That looks good. I want shredded lettuce, because that's usually the kind of lettuce that you find on burgers at restaurants. Personally, I don't want tomatoes on mine, but I do want pickles, not those. We'll come back to that, because in true Walmart fashion, there are people in the aisle standing there talking. Let's go ahead and find our burgers here. Oh my gosh, look at this. They have Impossible beef sliders. That looks like dog food. I would like to get burgers that are already made up into patties. However, in my experience, the best tasting ones come from this right here, with 73% lean and 27% fat. So I think I'm going to get that and make my own. Alright, let's try our pickles again. Here they are. Look at these. Hamburger dill chips. These look like what you'd get at like Burger King. Thin cut pickles. But what did I see over here? Oh, look at this. Vlasic ovals. Look at these. Those are a little thicker than what I like. But here's Vlasic sandwich dill chips. Wow, those still look pretty thick. What the heck? Wickles original pickle. That's a weird one. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go with these cheap little ones here. These look like what I would like the best. Now, I have all kinds of condiments at home, mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, all kinds of stuff like that, but I always like to look over here just in case there's something unique. Like, look at this, Kraft pickle mayonnaise dressing. No thank you. All right, now wait a minute. We got Heinz mayo chup. What is that? It must be a mix between mayonnaise and ketchup. You could actually make that pretty easily at home, so I'm not going to spend the money on that, but it does sound good. Now here's Hidden Valley Ranch Burger Cool and Zesty Secret Sauce. I bet that would be good. I'm not going to try it today, but it's stuff like that that I like to find. Alright, where in the world did they put the bread in this store now? Alright, there we go, A19. So we might have to actually check out the bakery, but I want to find some buns that have seeds. Oh, these would be delicious, but that's just not what I'm looking for right now. Pepperidge Farm onion buns, those would be good too. Here we go. Pepperidge Farm Farmhouse Hearty White with seeds. That's what I want right there. Okay, let's go ahead and find our fries. I was actually going to make my own fries, like cut them and everything, but there is such a huge selection right here, and this is so much easier. Man, look at this. We got sweet potato fries here. That would be delicious. We made those when we did the Paul Blart movie night. Actually, no, I did make my own that night. Look, if you wanted it to be much more fun, you could get the Smile fries. Actually, there's a movie called Savannah Smiles. That's a movie night right there. Look at this, we got Red Robin onion rings here. Those would not taste the same made at home. We got Nathan's thick sliced battered onion rings. I think this is what I'm gonna get right here. Checkers and Rally's famous seasoned fries. These are delicious. Yep, those are the ones. I have a whole bunch of cheese at home, but this is the kind I'd be getting if I needed it. Deli Deluxe by Kraft. Okay, one more thing if I can find it. A bottle of Dr. Pepper. They do have a lot of Dr. Pepper right here. Look at this. I've never heard of this. Blackberry Dr. Pepper. Look, they have strawberries and cream. That kind's pretty good. They do have several different size bottles of Dr. Pepper. I wish they had glass bottles. They may actually have them in a different aisle. I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I know they have an aisle that has like Mexican Coke in it in glass bottles. Wait, what in the world is this? Bing Bing wafer cone snacks? Yeah, I think this is the aisle it would be in if they had it, and I just don't see it, so we're gonna have to go with the plastic bottles. The good thing about having a Hummer is you never have to look for it. Giant yellow box. right, guys, there it is. Check that out. Johnny's Fatboy Burger Basket for our Midnight Madness movie night. There goes my fries. And we can't forget the Dr. Pepper. That is going to be delicious. In fact, we're going to do a taste test right now. Of course, the fries are always delicious. Perfect. And look at that burger right there. We got the bun with the seeds on it. We got the burger in there. We got 2 pieces of cheese, some shredded lettuce. Oh, we got our special sauce, some pickles. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so delicious. Let's take a bite right now. That is absolutely delicious, guys. All right. I'm going to pack it up. I'm taking my Dr. Pepper. In my Midnight Madness DVD, I'm going downstairs to get comfortable and watch this movie. If you love this episode, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we have new episodes every Saturday night. Do I have something on my face right here? I guess not. See you later.